Visibility's getting bad out here. Is that kiwi? Is that snow? You guys, today is Saturday the 9th. I almost said the 2nd. It is toothache day. Who knows? Anyways, we were supposed to get snow this weekend. We're supposed to get it really bad last night. We're supposed to get it tonight, and then also during next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, we're supposed to get a lot of snow. Well, we have hardly any here, so I don't know what they were talking about. Like, by hardly any, I mean like there's little tiny specks of snow in little small patches and nothing else. But it will be the kitten's first time seeing it snow. So I recorded Mochi seeing it snow. I haven't gotten Reese yet, but she's upstairs, and it also has not stayed or stuck, anything like that. So we're kind of hoping for more snow. It's just kind of drizzling in and out, but we will see. Anyways, happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having a great day. And we're back to our regular vlogs. No tour today. Okay guys, we're braving the streets to go and go to Kohl's and go to Home Goods and also the Jacksons to get lottery tickets. You feel safe driving in this condition, Mom?
I know, it's kind of scary.
Scary driving.
I'm so glad we went to the grocery store.
Yesterday.
Probably won't be able to make it there today.
Because of the madhouse. It's probably still a madhouse.
For what?
I don't know.
There's no snow, people.
It literally just snowed for like half a second and then was like, alright. Won't let the sun. But according to my weather app, it's going to snow more this afternoon. So
I'll believe it when I see it.
yeah, exactly. So we're braving the mean streets to go do our shopping. Because why not? It's not that bad out. And also, even if it kind of was a little snow, Mom's from Iowa, so she knows how to drive in snow. It's that season again. We're looking at all the sports things for Liberty Fit. You excited for Liberty Fit, Mom? It's coming soon. I'm saying we're looking at all the sports things. These are cute. We're trying to find exercise pants. I might want an exercise hat this year, and I want new exercise clothes like this type that would have pockets so that I can carry the camera, carry Kleenex, stuff like that. So we'll see. if I find anything. See, I don't like these because they kind of look frumpy, and I want like form-fitting ones. But I'm not gonna go this far. Or maybe I will. Those actually are kind of cute. These are kind of cute. I'd be very rainbow for the color run if we do it this year. You guys, our snow that we imported has arrived. That's as fun. You guys, the visibility's getting bad out here. It's getting crazy. We'll never make it home.
Sorry. Couldn't resist.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's terrible outside. And my mom said like there was a line all the way back to the deli counter at the store last night because everybody thought it was going to be really bad.
This is kind of cool.
This is cool.
Kind
Snow stormy. Yeah. Now just stick.
This is kind of cool.
This is cool. This is our snowstorm. All the people online are like posting about the snowstorm. It is cool though. It is kind of snowing harder than it was. It's just not sticking and not.
I mean, it hasn't snowed enough to tell.
Is I haven't told you guys yet, but Andrew and my dad are going to Iowa, and Andrew thinks this is cold and this is bad. So just wait until he gets to Iowa. So
It feels like 30
they're going to be filming their trip. They're gonna drive back with like pretty much my grandma's whole house. You guys know I love trying new things that come out. So they have a limited edition, the most stuff Oreo cookie, and I bought them, and I'm so excited to try them. And Mom's gonna try them with me if I can figure out how to open these. Okay, stand by for a second.
Whoa!
It's pretty stuffed. Look at how stuffed that is.
Do you take a bite, or you twist and lick? Or...
I just take a bite. Oh no, I've done that before too. Do you want mine? Okay, try it. It's so much in the middle. But this is what I do. I take two of them and I just stuff them together because I like the middle part. Is it good? It's good. Well, it's an Oreo, so I mean.
Mm-hmm.
These are perfect
So now
Oreos.
Dad or out, we just put the whole thing in the mouth.
Yeah. No, I eat it piece by piece, but this is the perfect size Oreo. What are you doing? Reese, come see the snow. Good, right? Perfect size Oreo. Tonight, you guys, we're having one of my favorite meals ever. We're having meatloaf and baked potatoes. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's such like, I think hearty is the right word, but it's such a hearty, good meal, and I love it, and it's one of my favorites. So that's what we're having tonight, baked potato and meatloaf. Okay, you guys, so I'm popping popcorn. I'm gonna watch a show. I'm also gonna catch up on my YouTube. I think that's gonna be it for today. The overall of the Oreo limited edition double stuff is this is the perfect size Oreo for me. It has just enough on the middle that I like, and I really like them. I hope they're not just limited time like they say. I don't know if they're just trying them out, but I would definitely try them if you like the middle part as your favorite, and you always, because I always take 2 Oreos and stuff the middle together in one Oreo and eat it, and then just eat the cookie part of the other one. So I think they're great. Anyways, that was our snow day for today. It is supposed to snow tonight again, according to my weather app, and it's supposed to have snow Sunday, so we will see. The ironic part is I was gonna work out this weekend, and I totally could have worked out because it was not snowing at all. It wasn't really icy, but it was pretty cold, so I guess that was a sign. Anyways, we will see you guys tomorrow. On Monday I will be recording the living room tour, and that will go up on Tuesday, so expect that coming soon. I hope you guys are enjoying the apartment tour of each room, and anyways, we will see you tomorrow. Happy